Welcome to Decor Diva, your go-to destination for all things interior design and home decor. In today's episode, we embark on a journey to discover enchanting boundary wall designs that will add a touch of elegance and character to your space. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your backyard, front yard, or even commercial properties, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into the world of boundary wall designs that will elevate the aesthetic appeal of any property. Modern minimalism. If you have a penchant for contemporary aesthetics, our modern minimalism segment will captivate your imagination. We present sleek and minimalist boundary wall designs that emphasize clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. From minimalist concrete walls with geometric patterns to glass panel fences that offer a seamless view of the surroundings, these designs demonstrate how less can be more when it comes to modern design. Nature's Embrace. Embrace the beauty of nature with our Nature's Embrace segment, where we explore boundary wall designs that seamlessly integrate with the surrounding landscape. Discover how natural materials like stone, wood, and bamboo can be artfully incorporated into boundary walls, creating a harmonious connection between your property and the outdoors. From living walls adorned with vibrant foliage to cascading water features that add a serene touch, nature-inspired designs will transform your space into a tranquil oasis. Artistic Expressions. For those who appreciate art and creativity, our Artistic Expressions segment showcases boundary wall designs that are true works of art. Explore murals, mosaic patterns, and intricate tile designs that transform your walls into captivating masterpieces. Unleash your imagination as we present boundary wall designs that combine artistry with functionality, adding a unique and personalized touch to your property. If you want more designs about home decor, so please subscribe our YouTube channel. Decor Diva.